Hey lovers, welcome to another video. By the title, you already know what this video is all about. I'm going to be doing a tour of our new rented 3-bedroom house. We moved from a 1-bedroom apartment to this place. So I'm going to show you guys.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now.
Coming. So this is the sitting room. I love the fact that it has this large window as in it. From now, my content is going to be boza. Like, come in, let's go to the kitchen. My favorite place. Show them around. This is the kitchen. Yeah. We just got the key now to this apartment. This is what they gave us. They gave us this package. Let's open it for them to see. I brought things, not be small. Wow. Wow, this is everything inside. Drinks, biscuits, both pods, discount, like everything. Happy new home, what you can get if you want to buy fridge and drink. This is what I'm going to be drinking, like, and gel, biscuits, Pepsi. So they gave us this package to welcome us to the new apartment. So here we have the washing machine. Washing machine is here. Here we have the dishwasher. I never used dishwasher before, but no problem, we'll learn it. Here we have the dishwasher. This is my assistant chef. So here is another storage. This is the gas. Babe, come in, come closer, let us see, okay? You can put your spoon here, we'll clean it. Another storage to put your pots. Here is where I'm going to put in plates. See, it has a lot of storage, as you can see. So now you're going to, it has another room for store, like you can put your food stuff, and the heater is also here. Your food stuff and all that. So okay, let's go upstairs before I show you guys the feed. Let's go. Up. So when you come up, beautiful. Yeah, then another spacious room. I like this room because you can see the garden, you can see your neighbors here, the garden, see everyone's garden and everything. The only issue I have with this apartment, with this house, is that it does not come with wardrobe. So we have to get one outside. From there, we move to the second bedroom. Yeah, this is it. We'll show them around. Yeah, you can see outside from here also, the front yard. So we move to this is going to be my children's room. Yeah, I'm just going to put a little design. Ian's bed will be here, and also my sweet baby. Bed will also be here. So this is it. Okay guys, let's go downstairs. Let's go to the backyard. Here it is. This is the this is the garden. It's summer, so we are going to enjoy this garden a lot. Like, hubby will be doing his barbecue there, enjoying ourselves, and here can find a lot of space to play around. Yeah. And also it also has another storage. Is locked, or should I open it? Yeah, this is the storage. You can just put anything you want to put. Yeah, come. I have visitors. If I don't want them to pass through the sitting room to the sitting room and the kitchen, I can open this door. They can come through here to the garden and all that. So that's it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this house tour. When we furnish, decorate, I'm going to do another video. See you guys on my next video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Please subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.